15. Fideo 1. Pwy ydy'r pwy sy'n? All children love a good story. So the patterns that you will be learning in this unit are perfect to use when you read a book to children in the school setting. Before starting the story, or even opening the first page, you would naturally study the cover and discuss with the children what they can see on the front and back of the book. We'll now learn the Welsh words for author, artist, and character, so you can ask the children about them when you're having circle time. Barod? Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Awdur means author. Awdur. Arlunydd means artist. Arlunydd. Cymeriad means character. Cymeriad. And if you discuss the main character, you'd say prif gymeriad. Ac eto, prif gymeriad. Da iawn chi. Now, let's put them into a question, as we ask who is each one of these. To ask who is the, we say pwy ydy'r, ac eto, pwy ydy'r. Now, for the full questions. Pwy ydy'r awdur? Caryl Lewis ydy'r awdur. Caryl Lewis is the author. Pwy ydy'r arlunydd? Jack Jones ydy'r arlunydd. Jack Jones is the artist. Pwy ydy'r prif gymeriad? Sam Tân ydy'r prif gymeriad. Sam Tân is the main character. When you then move on to opening the book and reading the story, as you go through each page, you ask the children about the events you are describing to them. Here is the pattern to use, so that you would be able to do so yn Gymraeg. Pwy sy'n? Ac eto, pwy sy'n? When we use this pattern, we are asking who is it that's doing a specific activity. All you have to do is add a verb, remember, a doing word, after pwy sy'n. Let's look at some useful examples. Pwy sy'n cerdded? Maya sy'n cerdded. It's Maya who's walking. Pwy sy'n mynd i'r parc? Molly sy'n mynd i'r parc. It's Molly who's going to the park. Pwy sy'n chwarae yn y tywod? Billy a Chris sy'n chwarae yn y tywod. It's Billy and Chris who are playing in the sand. You can also use this pattern to ask about the character's feelings. Pwy sy'n hapus? Dotty sy'n hapus. It's Dotty who's happy. Pwy sy'n drist? Dana sy'n drist. It's Dana who's sad. How about finding a children's reading book and trying out these questions? Remember, you can adapt the questions to suit whichever story you're reading. Give it a go. Ewch amdani.